cracking the meaning of crutches. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into a word that not only has a literal meaning but also a figurative one. Have you ever heard of the term crutches? Let's explore it together. Crutches are typically thought of as medical devices. They are supports usually made of wood or metal, and they're used to assist someone who has difficulty walking due to an injury or a disability. Picture a pair of tall sticks with a horizontal grip at the top. People place them under their arms to help them walk when they can't put weight on one or both legs. But in English, many words carry more than just their literal meanings. In a figurative sense, when we say someone is using something as a crutch, we're implying they're using that thing as a support mechanism, often in a way that might be unnecessary or detrimental. For example, imagine someone who drinks coffee every time they feel slightly tired. One could say, coffee has become her crutch. This means she's overly reliant on coffee, perhaps to an extent where it might be unhealthy, or she might be avoiding addressing the real issue of why she's always tired. Let's look at how you can use crutches in sentences. 1. Literal use. After breaking his leg in a soccer match, Roberto had to use crutches for several weeks. 2. Figurative use. Though he's a talented artist, he always relies on digital tools as his crutch instead of honing his manual drawing skills. And there we have it. The word crutches not only describes a physical tool to aid in walking but can also paint a picture of dependency in various scenarios. English is fascinating, right? We hope this explanation cleared up any confusion. Keep exploring, and until next time, happy learning!